Okay, we're going to learn how to use Voki in our teaching. So this is a great application that you can access via the web that can enable students to be able to create in our digital frame their learning, and in a way also collaborate and show or share with others what they've learned about a topic in an interesting and engaging way. So if you go to Internet Explorer or Chrome and do a search for Voki, you'll find www.voki.com. Now, you can pay for an account for this and it opens up a whole bunch of different features. I'm just going to show you the free version. So if we go straight to Creator, you do not need to log in order to use it. And this is how your students can use it, because they don't need to have an account in order to use the free version. So you click on Creator, it takes a little while it loads up all the things. You can see there, you're going to select an avatar, customize it, add a voice, choose a background, publish and share. That's our pathway forward from here. And it's pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Now, one of the elements that I find quite powerful with this is that once you've chosen your avatar, then you're able to type the information in. So if we have a look at our avatar here, we can click on the character and go and select from here so that we can personalize our character. Anytime you see these academic hats up the top, that means that you cannot use those unless you have the paid account. So you can see a whole stack of these we can't touch because we don't have the paid account. But there are different types of characters, so you can see the cartoons. We can access these cartoons. There's some anime options that you can access. I won't go through the list of everything, but anyway, suffice it to say there's a whole bunch of different things that you can choose to use. So I might go this funky one with the blue hair. So if I choose the character with the blue hair, then I can click on hair and I can choose the way that I want it to display. So I have a couple of options. So I could go bald, or I could go that hairstyle. These options change according to the character you select. You can also go as far as changing colours. So at the moment this character's got green eyes. I could change this to blue eyes to match the hair. I could change the skin colour if I felt like it, so I could give it a bit of an alien feel. You can customise lips, all sorts of things. That's enough of that. You can have a play for yourself. Click on done once you're finished. Now here's the important part. You can either record the voice and it will put the audio that you record, which is quite cool, but of course in a classroom situation that's pretty difficult. Or the one that I really like is if you click on the keyboard, you can type the text in. So you can have students with language difficulties be able to speak without a problem. And down here you'll see you've got options. You can choose different languages, and then within the languages there's even different accents. You can choose a male or a female voice. You can choose the accent whether you want US or Australian, however you want it to sound. When you press play,
hello, I can speak without needing to use my voice.
It's pretty cool. Now also in FX you can play with it a bit, so you can make it a bit fun.
Hello, I can speak without needing to use my voice. Hello, I can speak without needing to use my voice.
So now that we've decided we've got our voice sorted, there are a couple of options we can choose from in terms of backgrounds. Yet again, this can help us personalize to what we need to be able to tell the story of whatever the issue is that the student's communicating. Once you've finished all of that, you can click on done, and then you are ready to publish. So give it a title. I'll just call this test for the purposes of today. Click on save, and then we're done. So you're able to create these, and it's an engaging way for students to be able to share their knowledge on a topic, and for those with language difficulties or speech difficulties to be able to share. As you'll see, you don't need an account. Click on no thanks, and there we go. I've got it here, and I can just click on the copy URL. If I want to email that to my teacher or email that to a student, just copy that, and now that's got a link to what has just been created. So that's how you can use Voki.